Azoospermia is a condition where there are no sperms or absent sperm in your semen sample, and the condition seems devastating to the couple with totally no hope for pregnancy. But with the procedure of TESA, that is testicular sperm extraction, we can extract the semen from your testes and inject into the eggs of the female partner with the technology of intracytoplasmic injection with a very good success rate.
Long live JAC!
Long live, long live,
Long live JAC!
long live, long live.
Down, down VC!
Down, down, VC.
Down, down VC!
Down, down, VC.
Down, down VC!
Down, down, VC.
No personal ambition whatsoever that you can think of. But we are here for NEHU. This is our university. We can't allow it to go to drain and somebody driving it to the drain. That is what we are going to fight for, and we'll make sure that from now on, starting from today, and we have started it many months ago, we will make sure that whoever sits in the chair, he functions his duty like he has been appointed for. If a vice chancellor has been appointed for, he is supposed to discharge his duty as a vice chancellor, following NEHU Act, statute, ordinance, rules and regulations, and also abide by the UGC regulations that are present there.
I think this is the one. This is the one. This is his room. This is right. Oh, this is right. Oh, doing it.
Come out.
Rohit Prasad, get lost!
Get lost! Get lost!
Rohit Prasad, get lost!
Get lost! Get lost! Please come out.
Come on, we'll batch in.
Otherwise, we have to barge in. Please open it. Yeah, please take your belongings and get out. Please take your bag and get out. Otherwise, you will be forced. Please make way for Mr. Rohit Prasad. He is going to proceed outside, please. Yes. Yes. Make way for him. Yeah, please. Hey, next time on, nobody. Yeah, please make way for Rohit. Yeah. Make way for him, please. Yeah.
Make way for
Yeah, please.
Ka Jingalang Jangka Academic Council ke Sekolah Bah North Eastern Hill University kebalakot penlong do Vice Chancellor ke Sekolah Bah Professor PS Shukla. Kalau pulam no hadien bekinong yalam jangka Joint Action Committee ke berkentup ya ke North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association, ke North Eastern Hill University Non-Teaching Staff Association, bat ke North Eastern Hill University Students Union. Hakalai puitrik urisau arajar arpulai kilalit ben pentut dengan ke Jingalang. Nagaliang Vice Chancellor kena ke Sekolah Bah ulakot ke Jingalang jangka Academic Council kaba Chispa Akadway kena ke sini. Nrei tang hakikat tu kena por balas sedang kena ke Jingalang. Nagaliang kinong yalam ke Joint Action Committee kilawan rung syapok ke Conference Hall bat betha eberok ki dekot ke Academic Council baken mi no na kena ke Jingalang. Nagaliang kinong yalam ke Joint Action Committee kila syem kena ke senjam ban penpau ya ke jing persya hadien bu Vice Chancellor ulalek bamsud nyau ya ke jing Dawa jongki. La ban kedau hang ni bagi Joint Action Committee kelebok ke Jingdawa ban wengkam mardor ya Rohit Prasad ubasya thungkam ke Senior Consultant ke NEHU ban sedang no ya ke GEM ID hagani ke Sekolah Bah ban penbiang ya ke fellowship na ke banta ke research scholar ban kentiu ya ke non-net fellowship bat kiwei.
This one, I think most of us know that most of our teachers has been given work in the administration. Now, looking into it, how can a teacher who is being assigned to teach the students in class being given another work and also give extra headache to them also? Now, going on that, we can see that our teachers are serving two masters. It's very difficult. And then appointing them, then later on they have resigned and then appointing another one again. That one, giving them in charge it's very difficult for them to take big decisions also. Especially in the transport also, we have seen there's an in charge from the technical staff. So he cannot take big decision of, especially for buying additional bus for us. The last convocation held was in 2021. Now the UG student who passed in 2021 or 22 didn't get their convocation yet. I think they will get along with their master's degree in the same time or what. So he's saving money to give convocation for 2 degrees in one go. And also convocation, this is not just a ceremony for us. It's a expression, or to express that we have achieved, celebrate our achievement, our academic achievements. We have been deprived of it. And also because of delayed convocation, there has been delayed in the distribution of degree certificates also. Most students haven't got their degree certificate as of yet and cannot go for further studies or having difficulties in finding jobs.
Really tired of talking, so we give him a deadline, and I'm going to announce today. We give him a deadline, letter on the 4th of October, that by the end of this month, that is today, if you do not hold an interview for the post of registrar and finance officer, we are going to go for all-out agitation.
He is addressing whom? This university is not made up of junkies. Let it be very clear. People here are learned. All professors are not stupid. All our teaching staff are not stupid. Students are not stupid. And hence, when you make this kind of blatant lie, it only defeats the whole purpose. And that's where we have seen, and we have asked him, friendly speaking, Nehutai, in the first EC that we met, we asked him point blank, how did you appointed this guy? He said, no, I can do it. I said, no, you can't do it. No, he said, I can do it. He said, no, I will do it. VC has the power. I said, under which rule? He could not say it. Which means, and we were very clear from day one,